All right, Monday morning, here's the quick and dirty. What you need to know as we kick off the week, last full week of trading in the month of August before we power our way into September. Markets are higher this morning. Dow Jones up just shy of 300, S&Ps up 30, Nasdaq up 100. So some big 1% moves overnight, powered by some positive sentiment around COVID and the FDA coming out last night and giving approval for a plasma-related treatment, giving these markets a bit of a boost. Look at some of the other markets, FX world, same old song, dollar getting beaten down, strength in the euro, strength in the pound, strength in the Aussie. Oil trading just shy of 1% higher, so just below $43 a barrel in WTI. Now with oil, thing you need to know, we've got 2 hurricanes in the Gulf right now, 2 back to back. And that could keep things interesting as it's threatening supply lines, threatening refineries. So keep your eye on the oil market this week. Also have gold and silver trading higher this morning. Now, what do you need to look for this week? Well, we've got a couple things on tap. One, we've got the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, albeit virtual this year, that's taking place or starting on Thursday. So all the Fed governors come together annually, talk about what's going on in the world, what's going on in the economy. That starts on Thursday. Republican National Convention kicks off today. That's going all week. Have a slew of speakers hitting the stage virtually, which could create some headlines. Outside of that, we've got some more earnings that are taking place throughout the week. There's still a lot going on. Again, we're winding summer down here, but there's going to be a lot of opportunity popping up over the next 2 months. We're getting awfully close to that November election, so things are about to get interesting. All right, folks, I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll keep you updated as news breaks. Take care. Bye-bye.